Hi, my name is Mark Lewinner, licensed acupuncturist at Metro Acupuncture in Atlanta, Georgia. Today, I'd like to talk with you about the foam roller. The foam roller is an effective tool. In Chinese medicine, one of the reasons why a patient can experience pain is because of stuck qi in blood. And the foam roller acts almost like a deep tissue massage and is very effective at moving qi and blood that is stuck. A scientific explanation as to what the foam roller does is that it relaxes contracted muscles. It also improves the blood flow throughout the body in the area that you roll, and it helps move lymphatic fluid. The foam roller stimulates the stretch reflex in muscles. It's a very effective tool. It's one that I use before and sometimes after every workout, and I'd like to share with you a little bit about how to use the foam roller today. In my foam rolling routine, the first thing that I roll out are the quads. So let me demonstrate. Before I demonstrate the foam rolling technique, I just want to say if you have any concerns about doing a foam roller because of surgery or such, just talk with your doctor. I do want to let you know that as we're rolling, or if you're rolling for the first time, just be aware of your shoulders because you don't want to sprain or strain a muscle. So let me show you how to roll out the quads. It's quite simple. I do like using the yoga mat and simply place the foam roller on the quads, and you're rolling back and forth, all right? It can sometimes feel a little bit tender, and you're actually looking for those tender points. Some practitioners call this trigger points. Acupuncturists call these ashi points. It's kind of like that's where it hurts. And if you get to one of those points where it hurts or it kind of feels like a deep bruise, you want to stay there for about 60 to 30 seconds, okay? It can help release the muscle. It'll improve the blood flow. And when I'm working the quads, I'm just kind of going back and forth, all right? And you can kind of just play with the foam roller a little bit. Let me move on to the next thing that I do in my foam rolling technique. What I do is I work the side of the leg. So when working the side of the leg, the IT band, I often will have one foot in the front, and then again, I'm just rolling the side. I'm going to the front, I'm going to the back, I'm sometimes going a little bit further up, I'm sometimes going a little bit further down. And you know, I just want to really look for those tender points. I want to feel relaxed, and I'll usually work this area for about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. After working the side of the leg, I start working the hamstrings. Let me show you that. When working the hamstrings, I will have one leg under the roller and another leg free. And I'm just going to be rolling back and forth, all right? I'll sometimes rotate my foot in a little bit more to get the inner thigh. Sometimes I'll rotate out a little bit more to get the side of the leg. And this is one of my favorite areas to roll because I find that the hamstrings can get very tight. After rolling the hamstrings, I'll go to the calf, and it's just more of the same, but it's important. It does so much. So I know sometimes before a run or a workout, I'll think to myself, oh, I don't want to do that. But every time I do, I'm glad that I did, and I think that my body benefits from it, and it helps my recovery. Working the calves, it's great. Of course, I do this on both sides. I really think there are very few muscles that don't benefit by rolling. Another one that's important to roll out is the glute. Just sit on the foam roller and kind of roll to the side, and I go back and forth, almost in a circle. And I'm looking for that deep ache. I don't want to roll over any bones. If something hurts a lot, you shouldn't do it. But rolling the glute before a workout is very valuable. I see a lot of patients who have back pain, and the back pain often will go into the buttock area, And I believe that rolling that area before a workout will help reduce your pain. Rolling the lower back can be quite challenging, so it may not be something you want to do at first, but it's quite simple. All you do is slowly lean back on the roller, and again, from side to side, gently rolling the back. Again, this is more of I think, an advanced rolling move, so please don't do it right away. Just rolling the legs is enough. But if you do have back pain or a backache, I do believe you can benefit from this. Rolling the inner thigh is very valuable, and it shouldn't be forgotten. So what I do is I take the foam roller on the inside of my thigh. I kind of lay almost on my stomach and just roll back and forth. You can stretch the leg, can relax the leg, and just simply rolling. It's the most important thing. So what I just showed you were just a couple very basic maneuvers that one can do on a foam roller. There are more advanced maneuvers, and those are worth looking into. Our life now is more sedentary than ever before, and using a tool like the foam roller before a workout or even after a stressful day can be of great benefit. It really matches with the basic principles of Chinese medicine, which is to encourage the smooth flow of qi and blood throughout the body. And the foam roller helps that happen. It's like a deep tissue massage. So if you have any questions about how the foam roller can be helpful for you, feel free to give us a call at Metro Acupuncture. I enjoyed making this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Be well. Thank you.